Homegrown. I'm Ben Cummings, and if you follow us on other social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram, you may have already seen what happened this past week. On Thursday, we lost the majority of our bunnies, and then somehow over the weekend, we lost half of our flock of birds, including our rooster Tim. Now, unfortunately, this is not in this episode. This was shot a few weeks ago, but please enjoy this episode. What I would like to do, or the original plan when I bought this, reached in, and you can see the water has gone down a little bit. You up! There we go. So what I'm trying to do here is build a canoe rack. I've got some scrap angle iron or bed rail that I'm going to cut up into a canoe rack because my canoe has just been sitting on my wood sawhorses outside and I need those sawhorses. So I'm going to try to build a canoe rack. Start a forest fire. Now, because these certainly are not square, I gotta measure both of them. They would supposedly be 22 each, but yeah, see that one's closer to 24. That's fine, we can deal with that. It's a big hornet! Kill it with fire! I don't want to hit it. I don't know what to do. First, I just set it off! Oh, it's just angry! Okay, it flew away. We're good. We're good. We're safe. Okay, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out how this should go together. Probably help if I wasn't welding with sunglasses under my helmet. There we go. Oh, too hot, too hot. Pull back. A little bit of Monica in my life. Not getting any penetration. It would not pass. Come on, bitch. I ran out of welding wire, so let's move on to something else. Welcome to Pallet Projects with Benji, where I take pallets and convert them very minimally into something that I can use. Maybe. We'll see. 42 inches. What's 42 times 3? There, 2 feet. Wait! I might have a mini pallet. Okay, found a mini pallet. This might actually be in the cube door. Babe, how wide are your hips? Okay, plan of action is to grab 2 pallets, which I've got over there, put them up here, see if I can line them up, and then put hinges on it, make some sort of door thingamajig. Perfect. That actually looks pretty good. That's it. Get a couple of screws. Put that there. One over there. Where's my drill? Screws. You're just enamored by the tiller, aren't you? We'll use it in a bit. I'll try not to put you through it, but we'll find out. I'm going to see if I can't mount 2 pallets to them. And then also 2, oh, I didn't really think about that. We're going to mount them to the floor too. So
basically, let me show you. I got down here, one here, and then one on the other side. So I'm gonna put a pallet up first. Look, why don't I just do it and then I'll show you what my issue is. Attach it. I guess if I put enough in there that'd hold it. Then that kind of has to be attached down there. Alright, I've got 204 here set up. Ow, those are sharp, I should cut those off. 204 there. I gotta do one on the other side here. And then we'll firm up the pallets. Make a door. Yeah, that's on there, kinda. I think I'll need to mount my last 2x4. Use that as my frame-ish for the door here. Okay, door. This there needs hinges. That's all it needs now is hinges. So I gotta go find. Do I have any hinges? I was gone for like an hour or more, trying to find hinges and stuff, but I finally got some hinges and a door pull. So should work good. We'll see. I think there's still some ways like around the edges that chickens can get in, but hopefully I can get that all situated here soon with either some cedar logs along the edges that I picked up or what, but we'll see if I can attach some hinges. Oh, it's not square. Is that our issue? But that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Actually, and then you lift up and it goes there. That's, I mean, this ain't sturdy, but it works. Okay, I got distracted by a bunch of stuff, but I got the door here and managed to put up a shelf and some other things in the greenhouse, so it's looking good. Planted some tomatoes, but that's it's been a long day. That's where we're gonna cut it off today. See ya.